Alright, welcome back to Driveway. We have a small little project that we need to take care of today. I'm in the middle of 3 different videos. Some I probably have long hair in, others not so much. But while I'm waiting for some things to show up that were supposed to show up and didn't, for those videos, we'll have a quick little project here today to make something that's cheap, a little more expensive, and a little more what we want it to do. So, let's just start taking a look at this thing. Alright, so what we have is a small little welding cart. Nothing fancy, it's super cheap at the store, and it gets the job done. But since we do a lot of work in our driveway, hence our name here, that makes off-roading a little less than easy with these tiny tires. So we are going to do a off-road upgrade to this thing. We'll just make it work a heck of a lot better. Alright, so with all the stuff off the table, no, I would prefer to not do a burnout on the back section, but pivot this around a little bit. You can pretty much see what we're working with. Let's angle our camera down a little bit more. There we go. So, these tiny wheels need to not be on here anymore. And there we go. Now, what we are going to step up to, something a little more substantial. And to do that, we're going to need a piece of bracketry to help space these guys out. Something like that should do. So, we will need to get a clamp, drill some other holes, and then we'll be good on that section. And then for the rear, we're going to kind of upgrade to a little bit bigger tire. So that shouldn't be too bad. And we'll have our new axle. And we'll probably just throw right up there, weld it to this previous axle holder section, and we'll pretty much be set. So, let's grab some of the tools that we'll need and then see where we go from there. Alright, so our stability bracket that we got from the scrap pile is kind of set up here. Actually, I want to make a modification to that. Pull that back off there. I want to fold that front section down. There we go. Essentially flattening that out. Could be better. But that's pretty much just gonna have to do. That guy cue back up again. Well, for better or worse, that's what it is. Might have a little bit of a tilt to it, but it's not going anywhere. Now, let's get the next section. All right. That's looking pretty good. This way we got double nuts on the inside so we can change how far in and out from the side it is. Then we can double nut on the front and we will be good to go there. So now, I think we need to flip everything to the side that it's actually going to be on. Decided we can use this piece of plate here to essentially do something like that. And that'll work. Now I'm going to need to get a good burn in there, but I believe it's got a little bit of a zinc coating on the outside, so that's not very good. So I'm going to go get my respirator and open the garage door and burn it in that way. Alright, we got that zapped up, and then we put some bolts through the plate. Let's just hit it with a little bit of gloss black here before it cools off. Good enough, I say. So now we can just grab our tires here. And we can figure out how we'd like them. Something like that. Tighten those guys right up to there. Oh yeah. All right, so we got our all greased up and tightened up. All right, now we're talking. Let's go reload this thing up with all of our stuff. All right, anyways, that is the off-road welding cart upgrade. So we pretty much took a $50 welding cart, threw 50 bucks worth of parts at it. So this isn't too bad for 100 bucks. Anyways, thanks for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you're subscribed. If not, feel free to do that. It's kind of a fun little thing that I'm doing, so. We'll be getting on to other projects. Like I said before, I have like 2 or 3 other videos that I'm in the process of making right now, but waiting on parts to show up before I can continue doing them. So, once again, thanks for stopping by and watching. We'll have to see you again later.